I am Leonor Salinas, and this is my mini presentation about a reading strategy to my high school students. Today we're going to learn a really useful reading strategy called the traffic light strategy. Have you ever read something and thought you understood it, but then realized later that some parts were confusing? Just like traffic lights help drivers know when to go, slow down, or stop, the colors in this strategy help us understand how we're doing as readers. Well, use 3 colors: green, orange, and red. Circle green means I understand this part completely. Orange circle means I understand salary but not at all. Red circle means this part is difficult to understand. This is a great way to monitor your comprehension, which means checking your own understanding as you read. It's something good readers do all the time without even realizing. Now, before we start, let's get ready. Please take out the short reading I gave you. It's called A Day Without Technology. If you don't have that test, you can use any short paragraph we read recently. Also make sure you have your coloring pens or highlighters, green, orange, and red. If you don't have them, no problem. You can use symbols instead. For example, check marks means green. Question mark means orange. And multiply means red. All right. Here's what we are going to do. As you read through the test, I want you to use those colors or symbols to show how easy or hard each part is for you to understand. So, if a sentence feels clear and makes sense, mark it green. If you understand the main idea but not every detail, use orange. If you are stuck or confused, maybe there's new vocabulary or a lost sentence, that's a red strategies. While you're reading, think to yourself, what makes this part easy, what makes it hard? There are a few strategies that can help. You can read the sentence more slowly. You can look at the words around to find clues about meaning, or you can use a dictionary or translator to check keywords. When you do that, something that was red might turn orange and maybe even green the next time you read. Break it down. Let's take one example together. Look at paragraph 2. There's a sentence that says, many people feel disconnected from the world without their device. If that sentence was difficult for you, maybe it's because of the word disconnected. We can break it down. This means not, and connected means joining. So disconnected means not joining or not connected. See how we can use words, parts, and contents to understand meaning? That's an example in how to move from red to green. So, what did we learn from this activity? The traffic lights strategy helps you take charge of your own reading. You are not just reading words. You are thinking about what you understand and what you don't. You can use this anytime you read. in class, at home, or even online. It works for studies, news articles, and textbooks. The more practice you, the easier it becomes to notice when something doesn't make sense and to fix it right away. Review. Before we finish, let's review. Green means you understand well. Orange means you understand a little. Red means it's hard or confusing. This strategy helps you become a more confident and independent reader. And remember, it's okay to have some red areas. That's where learning happens. Thank you.